So much about the drug court is about putting lives back together, reconnecting families, uniting our community.
I feel that the drug court's involvement in Perry County has offered individuals and family the chance to get their lives turned around, gives them opportunity.
Seeing these kids, for instance, at the bowling party, the Christmas party that we have, seeing these kids get a Christmas gift with their parents that they may have not seen in a couple years, just seeing the excitement on the kids' faces, even parents come, seeing their son or daughter sober and clean, they get the gifts and just a great atmosphere, sober and clean atmosphere, if you will. One individual comes to mind where he told me he lost 5 things. He's lost his family, he's lost his job, he lost his house, he lost his car. And when he graduated this program, he had received those 5 things back and took his first family vacation that he never was able to do when he was out there, you know, using. That's one story that comes to really mind, is he got 5 things back, and he was thrilled to death, tickled to death to have those back.
There are so many benefits to our drug court. We started out in Perry County. There was a juvenile drug court, but the bureaucracy sometimes gets in the way. I have an office manager. She oftentimes speaks on behalf of the drug court because she's so grateful that Judge Wilson took a chance on her, put her in the drug court. She has turned her life around, and she is really a model for other people in our organization. I know for a fact that our drug court is effective and does wonderful things, and people can and do turn their lives around. So I'm very proud to work with our drug court. I'm proud to be part of that team.
Everyone in drug court, they care about it. It's like your own little family here in drug court. I mean, they all look out for each other. If you got anything to say, you go talk to anybody. I mean, anyone that's involved. I never thought, because I've heard about the program when I was using, and you know, I was one of them guys, and I think this drug court helped me more, would help me, you know, anyone else more than I think a regular rehab, because they care for you big time here with the drug screens, and if you got anything going on in your life that you need to talk about, you know, they're all ears.
At the end of the day, this drug court is a path forward for participants. It's part of our community's response to an epidemic, and it's a model for our state.
And when you look at the success rate of what they've been able to accomplish in Perry County, that's a model for others to follow. And you know, you ask yourself again, how does that happen? It starts with caring, you know, and putting together something that at the end of the day, the average person that might be struggling with addiction or other things in their life can look at that and go, there's a better way.
This would have been about the 4th or 5th graduation that we had. We had a young man that worked at Ludowici Celadon, and which is one of our major employers, making, I think he was making $32 an hour at the time. And during the graduation, he had his wife and children there. He came up to me and wanted to talk to me separately before we started the process, and he told me that, he said, I want to show you something. So he gets out his pictures on his phone, and he says, this is the first new car that I've ever bought. He said, this is our new house that we bought, and this is the first family vacation that we're going to take down to Myrtle Beach this summer. And I told him that if I were to die tomorrow, there's nothing more that I could take any more success out of than see him do that.